Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Monday, everybody. I am just here with a quick little video, pre-recorded video, to show you what I did with the candy canes from Dollar Tree. Guys, do you remember a while back I said grab some of these candy canes at Christmas time from the Dollar Tree, and I did something Easter with them, and I was going to show you. So I am just doing this quick little video to show you what I did. This was years ago with these candy canes. Guys, I made Easter candy canes. I made Easter candy canes. Now, I made these years ago, and some of you might not like how the strings hang from them. So I changed it up a little bit, but I'm going to show you what I did first. Now, these fabrics I get at Hobby Lobby. See how pretty they are? These little pastel-y check fabrics. You can use any fabric you want. Any scrap fabrics you have, anything you want to use. I cut a strip. Like I just cut 1/2-inch strips. I just go down my fabric and cut a 1/2-inch strip. My strips are like 42 inches long or something like that. All you want to do, you're going to want to wrap it twice. So you're going to need more than one strip. So, all I did, that one looks funny, doesn't it? It looks short. Take one of your candy canes. Oh, goodness. There. Okay. Take one of your candy canes. Add some hot glue at the end here. Then you are going to put your fabric on there. Now, leave a little overhang like that, because we are going to glue around. So, add a little glue under that overhang. Squish it down. You want to kind of squeeze your fabric around the tip there. Then you are going to start wrapping. Now let's see here. I want to make sure it looks okay. I kind of tuck this fabric in and then start wrapping. Okay, you're just going to wrap around. And believe me, my fabric is not cut too straight. It's not cut too straight. Okay, you are just going to want to wrap. Just keep wrapping around. See how you get all these little strings? You can cut some of them off as you go. I usually cut them on the end. Okay, now when I get down to the bottom there, before I finish wrapping all the way around, I'm going to add hot glue to my tip and a little bit around my candy cane there. Because you want, okay, wrap, and then I want to cover the tip, just like that. Squish this down. Oops, I pulled too hard. Okay, you want to cover the tip, and then squish your fabric in, and then start wrapping back up. I have to pay attention. It's hard when I'm trying to show you and do it. Okay. Then you're just going to start wrapping back up. Now I'm going to have to add fabric because this is not going to be enough to finish. So when you come to the end, just add a little hot glue on the end of your fabric there and glue it down. Now you'll take another piece of fabric, strip of fabric, and just glue it where you ended. Add a little bit of hot glue and start right where you ended. And then continue to wrap up. Now I hung these on my tree. You don't have to hang them on your tree. They'd be cute as bowl fillers. or laying on your 3-tiered tray, or in a jar. If you like make an Easter jar, they would be cute in an Easter jar. Okay, I'm coming to the end again. So I am going to add hot glue. I want to cover that tip. So I don't want the tip to show. So cover the tip just like you did. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue there and bring this around because I'm going to end it. I got to tuck my little, it's like you got to tuck it in a little bit to come around. Okay, now I want to end. All right, so I'm going to cut my fabric, my strip of fabric here. And I'm kind of pulling it tight to make sure I know where it's ending. Add a little hot glue. I got strings. And then glue your end down. Okay. See how the little strings hanging? If you don't like that, I mean, I trim them off, but over time they still get little strings. So I kind of trim them off. My fingers are glue. Okay. Trim your long ones at least off, because if we're going to Mod Podge it, and that holds down all your strings, so you're really not even going to see them. But I wanted to get the real long ones off. Because you don't want a big clump of strings. So just trim your strings. Okay. Then I take a paper plate in my paintbrush, in my Mod Podge. When I say it quick, I just say it. Okay, then I just cover this. I'm just going to brush it with the Mod Podge. If you still have strings when it's dry, you can trim them off. They'll be easier. They'll be hard. See, like that one, I'll probably want to trim off. Now, if you use a fabric that's not going to fray on the ends, you don't even have to probably do this, but these fray on the ends. Okay. All right, then you're going to let that dry. I'll trim those strings off after I let it dry. I'm going to set that aside and let it dry. And I'll show you what they look like. Got to get my lid on good because I don't want it to get hard. All right. Let me just set this over here for now. Okay. These are them with the Mod Podge on them. See, the strings don't all start, well, I just picked up strings because they're everywhere, but the strings aren't all sticking out and showing, except for the ones I just keep picking up. But how cute are these? Right now, you can add ribbons to them. Now, these two are not Mod Podged, but see, you can tie little ribbons around them. Let's see what I got here. These are my ribbons from Michaels. Remember the ribbons I showed you from Michaels? I'm looking to see if there's something. This one is pink and yellow. I also had another cute ribbon here. What did I do with it? This is from the Dollar Tree, guys. How cute is this? I think I might like this one on the green. I'm thinking. So I just tie a bow on them. I just tie a bow. Now you can put it wherever you want. I don't know if I have it long enough or not. Okay, let me cut this. And let's see. Where's my end? My ends are on the wrong floppy thing. It's not wanting to cooperate, but I'm going to give you the gist of it. So you could tie little bows around them if you want. You can hang them. I'm going to turn you a little bit. You can hang it on the tree. I had a yellow one here. Look how cute they are on the tree. I'm not sure if you could see it real good. Oh, you really can't see that. But they're cute on the tree. Or I told you, lay them on your 3-tiered tray. Just lay them on your 3-tiered tray. Or make a cute little jar and stick them in the jar. They would be cute. Okay. You can use whatever fabrics you guys want to use. It doesn't matter. You can even use ribbon if you wanted to use ribbon. But I just wanted to show you quick my little candy canes. This one's got to dry. And I might Mod Podge some of the other ones because I like how the strings aren't all sticking off. Okay, guys. This is just a quick little pre-recorded video to show you how to make these cute little candy canes. I hope you all bought some of these when I said at Christmas time. Sometimes we buy things and we don't know what we're going to do with them, so I hope you have them in your stash. If you like this little idea, just decorate the page with your friends. And I am going to pick 2 people. Today's Monday. I'll pick 2 people on Wednesday. And I'm going to send 2 people each 2 packs of these so you can make yourself some Easter candy canes. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.